Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Jaguar I-Pace EV400 2021, and what we've installed on this vehicle is full electric, and what we've installed on this is a Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. Now the way this system works, it fully immobilizes the vehicle. People are asking, can you put immobilizer systems on electric vehicles? And yeah, we can. We just installed one on this car. So yeah, so it protects you against keyless theft, because all these cars are getting stolen because of the keyless key features. Even electric cars, they're the same exactly as their counterparts, petrol or diesel ones. These can be stolen. So with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser we've installed on this car, it cannot be stolen. So when a thief gets the key, so if they get hold of the key frequency and they unlock your vehicle and get in, they will not be able to start it. So as you can see, I've got the foot on the brake. When you start it and you try and put it into gear, as you can see, it's not going into gear and it's turning off. So the way you be able to start the car is you have to put in a sequence code using your factory buttons. You can use this or that, and obviously it's going to be unique to you. At the moment we got set up as a demo code. So the way it works is when you get in the car, you turn it on, put the ignition on, and then you enter your code. So we got it set up as a demo code. So 1, 2, 3. Well, as you can see, the indicators flash, and now I can start the car. You can see the car now starts, and I can put it into gear. As you can see, the lights come on now. So yeah, if you want your car to be protected from keyless car theft, your electric car, we can install immobilizer system on it. Yeah, it's called the Ghost 2. If you want this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 020-554-5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security in Gansel, IG2 6QA. Thank you.